What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to download iOS launcher on Redmi Note 13R. So first of all, open Play Store. Now in Play Store, go to the search bar and search for iOS launcher. Now here, open this launcher iOS app and then click on install. Now wait for download, so it will take few minutes according to your internet connection speed. And after installation, click on open. Now here, allow the permissions. And after that, the iOS launcher will be launched. Click on make default launcher. And then click on OK. Now from here, select iOS launcher and then the iOS launcher will be applied. So you can see. That's how you can download iOS launcher on Redmi Note 13R. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.